Hello everybody and welcome to another episode of Friday Fabric Finds for the week of November 1st, 2024. Can you believe we're already in November?
November, dude, close to Christmas.
My name is Justin. I am a photographer and product editor.
And I'm Mason, the inventory specialist.
This is a series where we go through the newsletter that gets released on Friday, go out into our studio and show you that fabric in person. So without further ado, let us get started.
First off, we have the Friday bundle of the week, which is the Chroma Citrus Favorites Batik Friday bundle. So we have a batik bundle for y'all. It's featuring the Chroma batiks from Moda with patterns such as sunshine, bubbles, florals, leaves, vines, triangles, stripes, and watercolors. And the colors are featuring orange, yellow, and green. So make sure to zest up your stash with our Chroma Citrus Favorites Batik Friday bundle.
Next, we have a forest group for y'all called Let's Get Lost in the Woods from Riley Blake. This features the full collection yardage, 36-inch panels, fat quarter bundles, 10-inch stackers, 5-inch stackers, and the A Day in the Woods panel quilt kits. This features patterns of woodland animals, acorns, leaves, geometric designs, plaid, and paw prints, and colors of cream, brown, green, and blue. So make sure to branch out with Let's Get Lost in the Woods.
The next collection we have for y'all is from Studio E, and it is Mermaid Tails, a very colorful collection for y'all. It is the full collection of yardage, 24-inch panels, and the Dancing Mermaids quilt kits, with patterns such as mermaids, fish, sea florals, waves, and bubbles in colors of ocean blue, turquoise, and pink. So make sure to channel your inner mermaid with Mermaid Tails from Studio E.
We got an autumn group for you guys next called Oak and Maple from Henry Glass. This features the full collection yardage and the Autumn Waves quilt kits. This features patterns of florals, sunflowers, vines, stars, wheat, and plaid in warm colors of tan, black, red, orange, brown, and yellow. So make sure to fall in love with Oak and Maple.
I see what you did there. Next collection we have for y'all is from Balynt Quilting, which is Safari Sites. We have the full collection of yardage, 36-inch panels, and the Strip It quilt kits. This collection has patterns such as lions, zebras, giraffes, tigers, elephants, leaves, and safari accessories, and colors such as sand, tan, black, green, orange, brown, and white. So make sure to embrace the wild side with Safari Sites from Balynt.
Next, we have a sale on not one, but two quilt kits. Ooh. These are our treat bag kits from Studio E. They're little like bags that I am assuming you can use for trick-or-treating. They are featuring groups of Bones and Batiks and Graveyard Ghouls. There's one from Bones and Batiks and another from Graveyard Ghouls. These were originally priced at $29.96. We have them on sale for $18.96.
It's a steal.
So make sure to treat yourself to savings with our treat bag kits.
Next collection we have is from Timeless Treasures. It's I'll Always Love You. We have the full collection of yardage and the Starry-Eyed quilt kits. This collection has patterns such as owls, stars, moons, clouds, and plaids, and colors of navy, sky blue, yellow, and black. So make sure to swoop into comfort with I'll Always Love You.
Next, we have a country-themed group called Barn Quilts from Northcott. This features the full collection yardage as well as the Lancaster Trail quilt kits. We have patterns of barns, countryside landscapes, geoprints, and barnwood, in colors of red, teal, white, brown, rust, and blue. So make sure to take a drive through the countryside with Barn Quilts.
And of course, we have our November bargains page for y'all to go check out on our website. We update that daily with new things every single day that are discounted prices, on sale, and what have you. That could be things such as remnants, notions, full yardage, whole collections, everything of the sort. Make sure to go check out our November bargains and see what kind of deal you can find.
All right, last thing we have to talk about today is our comment of the week. This is where we pull a comment from last week's episode to read on this week's episode. This week we have Margaret Lavinia 4634 who says, "You two did a great job." Talking about me and Clint. "Do you have to have good speaking voices to work there? Also wondering why you guys are working at a fabric studio. Did you know anything about fabric, sewing, or quilting before working there? Did your moms make you get a job there so you get a discount on fabric? I love to watch all of you and wish Ohio was closer to Texas to come meet you and shop when you have tickets. Thanks for another interesting show." First off, thank you so much for watching. We really appreciate all the love and support. Margaret, to answer your question, I personally didn't know anything about fabric before working here. I actually heard a long time ago Jody, the owner, say she hires a combination of people who do know about quilting and don't. I can confidently say we both probably like didn't know much about it before working
No.
here. My mom, she does not quilt or anything, and she did not make me get a job here for discounts on stuff. What about you?
Yeah, same thing. I mean, my grandma's done some quilting here and there, but yeah, I've never really been around it at all. I've never done it myself. We did a thing last year.
The Jelly Roll Race to a Finish,
Yeah.
which will be in the link below if you want to check that video out.
Yeah, and all those guys did it here.
That's actually the only time I've ever even like held like a sewing machine.
Yeah.
Once again, thank you so much for leaving your comment, and we appreciate you for watching.
All right, guys, just want to end this video off by saying thank you for watching. If you enjoyed, make sure to leave a like. Make sure you subscribe if you enjoyed it. Make sure to ring that bell for notifications so you're notified every single time we upload. Make sure to leave a comment so you might be featured on next week's comment of the week. And make sure to follow us on social media. The links for all of those will be in the description below. So we will see y'all next week. See ya.